Investing in turnkey properties offers an excellent opportunity to generate passive income and build wealth through real estate. These properties, which are fully renovated and ready for immediate occupancy, provide investors with a hassle-free way to enter the real estate market and start earning rental income from day one. However, navigating the process of buying a turnkey property requires careful planning, research, and execution. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps involved in purchasing a turnkey property and provide valuable insights to help you make informed investment decisions. We've also included links in the description to help you get started in turnkey real estate investing. Be sure to check them out. So how do you buy a turnkey property? Let's go through the steps. Number 1. Understanding turnkey properties. Before diving into the buying process, it's essential to understand what turnkey properties are and how they differ from traditional real estate investments. Turnkey properties are fully renovated, often single-family homes or multifamily units that are ready for immediate occupancy and rental. Unlike fixer-upper properties, which require extensive renovations and repairs, turnkey properties are move-in ready, making them an attractive option for investors seeking a hassle-free investment opportunity. These properties are typically sold by turnkey providers or real estate companies that specialize in acquiring, renovating, and managing rental properties. Number 2. Research and education. The first step in buying a turnkey property is to conduct thorough research and educate yourself about the real estate market and investment strategies. Start by familiarizing yourself with the concept of turnkey properties and understanding how they fit into your overall investment goals. Take the time to learn about the local real estate market, including property prices, rental rates, vacancy rates, and overall market trends. Additionally, educate yourself about the process of buying a turnkey property, including financing options, due diligence, and property management considerations. Number 3. Defining your investment goals. Before embarking on your turnkey property investment journey, take the time to define your investment goals and objectives. Consider factors such as your desired return on investment, cash flow requirements, risk tolerance, and long-term financial goals. Are you looking for steady rental income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Understanding your investment goals will help guide your decision-making process and ensure that you select the right turnkey property that aligns with your objectives. By having a clear vision of what you aim to achieve, you can tailor your investment strategy accordingly and make informed decisions throughout the process. Number 4. Establishing a budget. Once you've defined your investment goals, it's time to establish a budget for purchasing a turnkey property. Determine how much you're willing to invest in the property, taking into account factors such as the purchase price, closing costs, minor renovation expenses, if any, and any other associated costs. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial resources and limitations before proceeding with the purchase. By setting a budget early in the process, you can narrow down your options and focus on properties that align with your financial parameters, ensuring a more efficient and effective search process. Number 5. Finding a reputable turnkey provider. One of the most critical steps in buying a turnkey property is finding a reputable turnkey provider or real estate company that specializes in turnkey properties. These providers often have extensive experience and expertise in local real estate markets, allowing them to identify properties with strong rental potential and offer comprehensive property management services. Before selecting a turnkey provider, research their track record, reputation, and portfolio of properties. Look for providers with a proven history of successful investments, positive client testimonials, and transparent communication practices. Before we continue, don't be afraid to reach out. Comment below with any questions, and we'll do our best to respond to them all. Number 6. Conducting due diligence. Once you've identified a potential turnkey property, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence to evaluate its viability as an investment. This may include reviewing financial documents, property inspection reports, rental history, tenant occupancy rates, and any potential risks or liabilities associated with the property. It's essential to gather as much information as possible about the property to make an informed investment decision. By conducting thorough due diligence, you can identify any potential red flags or issues with the property and mitigate risks before committing to the purchase. Number 7, securing financing. After conducting due diligence and determining that the turnkey property is a viable investment opportunity, the next step is to secure financing for the purchase. This may involve obtaining a mortgage loan from a bank or financial institution, or exploring alternative financing options such as private lenders or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Work with a mortgage broker or lender to explore your financing options and choose the option that best fits your financial situation and investment goals. By securing financing early in the process, you can streamline the purchase process and increase your chances of securing the property. Number 8, negotiating terms and purchase agreement. Once financing is secured, work with the turnkey provider to negotiate the terms of the purchase agreement. This includes negotiating the purchase price, closing date, inspection contingencies, and any other relevant terms. Review the contract carefully and ensure that all aspects of the transaction are clearly outlined and agreed upon by both parties. It's essential to have a thorough understanding of the terms of the purchase agreement before proceeding with the transaction. By negotiating favorable terms, you can protect your interests and ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Number 9, closing the deal. Once the terms of the purchase agreement have been finalized and all contingencies have been met, proceed to closing the deal. This typically involves signing the necessary legal documents, transferring funds, and officially taking ownership of the turnkey property. Work closely with your real estate agent, attorney, and lender to minimize delays. Additionally, consider conducting a final walkthrough of the property or ordering a re-inspection to ensure that it meets your expectations and that all agreed-upon repairs or improvements have been completed satisfactorily. Number 10, property management. After acquiring the turnkey property, work closely with the turnkey provider or property management company to manage the property effectively. This may include tenant screening, rent collection, property maintenance, and addressing any issues or concerns that arise during the rental period. Effective property management is crucial to maximizing the return on your investment and ensuring the long-term success of your turnkey property. By partnering with experienced property managers, you can streamline the management process and ensure that your investment property remains profitable and well-maintained. Number 11, monitoring and evaluating. Once the turnkey property is rented out and generating income, it's essential to monitor its performance and evaluate its financial performance against your investment goals. Regularly review rental income, expenses, occupancy rates, and property maintenance costs to ensure that the property is performing as expected. Make adjustments as needed to maximize returns and ensure the long-term success of your investment. To sum it up, buying a turnkey property is an excellent way to generate passive income and build wealth through real estate. By following these steps and working with experienced professionals, you can successfully navigate the process of purchasing a turnkey property and build a lucrative real estate investment portfolio. With careful planning and execution, buying a turnkey property can be a rewarding and profitable investment opportunity. That's it for the video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.